Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Mishra. This is multiple choice questions on international business and trade part 1. This I have compiled in view of the scheduled examinations to be held very soon. This will be beneficial for UG and PG students both of different universities or institutions who are to write this paper in their final examinations. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. The first phase of globalization started around 1870 and ended with options are A. World War I, B. World War II, C. The establishment of GATT, D. In 1913 when GDP was high. Correct option is A. World War I. Question number 2. IBRD, that is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, also known as options are A. Exim Bank, B. World Bank, C. International Monetary Fund, D. International Bank. Correct option is B. World Bank. Now question number 3. Ultimately dash was replaced by the dash on 1st January 1995. Options are A. GATS WTO, B. WTO GATT, C. GATT WTO, D. IMF GATT. Correct option is C. GATT WTO, that is General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, and World Trade Organization, that came into being on January 1st, 1995. Now move to next slide. Question number 4. Which is the right sequence of stages of internationalization? Options are A. Domestic, transnational, global, international, multinational. B. Domestic, international, multinational, global, transnational. C. Domestic, multinational, international, transnational, global. D. Domestic, international, transnational, multinational, global. Correct sequence is B. Domestic, international, multinational, and global. Question number 5. Subsidiaries consider the regional environment for policy or strategy formulation is known as. Options are A. Polycentric approach, B. Regiocentric approach, C. Ethnocentric approach, D. Geocentric approach. Correct option is B. Regiocentric approach. Question number 6. According to this theory, the holdings of a country's treasure, primarily in the form of gold, constituted its wealth. Options are A. Gold theory, B. Ricardo theory, C. Mercantilism, D. Hecksher theory. Correct option is C. Mercantilism. By and large, the correct options are highlighted here. In case of any discrepancy found, that will be corrected in my narration. Now question number 7. The theory of absolute cost advantage is given by. Options are A. David Ricardo, B. Adam Smith, C. F.W. Taylor, D. Ohlin and Hecksher. Correct option is B. Adam Smith. Question number 8. The theory of relative factor endowments is given by. Options are A. David Ricardo, B. Adam Smith, C. F.W. Son, D. Ohlin and Hecksher. Correct option is D. Ohlin and Hecksher. Question number 9. The theory of comparative cost advantage is given by. Options are A. David Ricardo, B. Adam Smith, C. F.W. Tausig, D. Ohlin and Hecksher. Correct option is A. David Ricardo. Question number 10. This is the application of knowledge which redefines the boundaries of global business. Options are A. Cultural values, B. Society, C. Technology, D. Economy. Correct option is C. Technology. Now move to next slide. Question number 11. Capitalistic, communistic, and mixed are the types of Options are A. Economic system, B. Social system, C. Cultural attitudes, D. Political system. Correct option is A. Economic system. Question number 12. Which is not an Indian multinational company? Options are A. Unilever, B. Asian Paints, C. Piramal, D. Wipro. Correct option is A. Unilever. Question number 13. Globalization refers to, options are A. Lower incomes worldwide, B. Less foreign trade and investment, C. Global warming and their effects, D. A more integrated and interdependent world. Correct option is D. A more integrated and interdependent world. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a force in the Porter 5 forces model? Options are A. Buyers, B. Suppliers, C. Complementary products, D. Industry rivalry. Correct option is C. Complementary products. Now move to next slide. Question number 15. Comparative cost trade theory is given by, options are A. Adam Smith, B. David Ricardo, C. Gottfried Haberler, D. Hecksher Olin. Correct option is B. David Ricardo. Question number 16. DICE is the payment method most often used in international trade, which offers the exporter best assurance of being paid for the products sold internationally. Options are A. Bill of lading, B. Letter of credit, C. Open account, D. Drafts. Correct option is B. Letter of credit. Question number 17. Key controllable factors in global marketing are, options are A. Government policy and legislation, B. Social and technical changes, C. Marketing activities and plans, D. All of the above. Correct option is C. Marketing activities and plans. Question number 18. Select example of Indian multinational company. Options are A. Hindustan Unilever, B. Videocon, C. Cargill, D. Tesco. Correct option is B. Videocon. Now question number 19. Conglomerate FDI refers to, options are A. FDI made by a group of firms, B. FDI made in subsidiaries, C. FDI made in similar products, D. FDI made in unrelated products. Correct option is D. FDI made in unrelated products. Now question number 20. Countries / regions with huge market size will attract, options are A. Market seeking FDI, B. Efficiency seeking FDI, C. Vertical FDI, D. Created assets seeking FDI. Correct option is A. Market seeking FDI. Now question number 21. The following statement with respect to culture is false. Options are A. Culture is enduring, B. Culture is changing, C. Culture is evolved among the members of a society, D. Culture is determined by the national boundaries. Correct option here is D. Culture is determined by national boundaries. This is false statement. Now question number 22. The following is not a component of culture. Options are A. Attitudes, B. Beliefs, C. Education, D. Life expectancy. Correct option is D. Life expectancy. Now move to next slide. Viewers, let me tell you that if you like this video tutorial, you please forward it to many for subscription, and you also subscribe it and press the bell button so that it benefits you and others, those who are needy now and in the future. Now question number 23. Dash corporation produces in the home country or in a single country and focuses on marketing these products globally or vice versa. Options are A. Global, B. International, C. Transnational, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Global. Question number 24. The dash company produces, markets, invests and operates across the world. Options are A. Global, B. International, C. Transnational, D. Multinational. Correct option is C. Transnational. Question number 25. The following is not a component of culture. This is a repeated one, by the way. Options are A. Attitudes, B. Beliefs, C. Education, D. Life expectancy. Correct option is D. Life expectancy. Now question number 26. Non-verbal communication. Options are A. Includes written communication, B. Has no place in international business, C. Includes body language, D. Should be learned by business managers to communicate with foreigners. Correct option is C. Includes body language. So this was all about this video tutorial. More video tutorials are available on different management subjects, and MCQs are also available a number of subjects on management. So if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.